Umqeqeshi weKaizer Chiefs uAtazwane uthi umi ngomumo njengoba iqembu lakhe lizobhekana neOrlando Pirates FNB Stadium kusasa magamanxa ihora lesithathu ntambama.
UZwane unencindezi enkulu evela kubalandeli beKaizer Chiefs ngemuva kokushaywa iGolden Arrows ngamagoli amathathu kwamabili ngempela sonto edlule. Phezu kwalokho uZwane usenethemba lokuthi uzokwazi ukuguqula isimo.
We're gunning for 3 points, there's no doubt about it. And from my side, having been the person as a player, also, played in the double, I know what it means. And the message that I've also conveyed to the players, that they should now forget about the noise that is happening outside there.
Abafana basePhefeni basendaweni yesihlanu kuloko ngamaphuzu angu-28 emidlalweni engamashumi-20 abasayidlalile. Emidlalweni wabo wokugcina nezikaMagebhula banqoba ngegoli elilodwa eqandeni.
We've got a plan, and it doesn't matter as much as we know that we need 3 points. We want to win every game. So I'm not going to this game worried about my job.
Umqeqeshi wezimnyama uJose Rivero uzobe ngekho kulandela ukumiswa kwakhe imidlalo emibili.
Unfortunately, I'm not going to be there on the bench where I'm supposed to be. But now it's not a big problem for the players and for anybody else. Nowadays, I have a fantastic support staff behind me.
EzikaMagebhula azikaze ziwehlula amakhosi emidlalweni emine edlule kodwa umqeqeshi wamabhakabhaka uthi kusasa kukusasa.
We have an opportunity to offer a good show, to show how good we can organize a big game like this, how well prepared the referees are going to be for this occasion.
Womabili lamaqembu alwela ukuqeda esendaweni yesibili kulokho ukuze angenele umqhudelwano weCAF Champions League ngesizini ezayo.